Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this washable anti-slip fluffy comfy dog bed. You can also use this for their kennels. Alright, so right here we have our dog bed, which is offered in 3 different sizes. You've got small, which is 24 by 18. You've got large, which is 36 by 23, and then they offered it in extra large, which is 42 by 47. This one comes in the beautiful gray. It does come with a little bag to cover it up, and so it's nice and secure. So the small, which would be the 22-inch, is for dogs 20 pounds. Then you got the 24-inch, which is for dogs up to 30 pounds, the 30-inch up to 40 pounds, the 36 inches for dogs 50 pounds, and then you have the biggest one, which is 42 inches for dogs that are 100 pounds and up. So it has an upgraded anti-slip and anti-scratch bottom. It is super fluffy. It's warm, plush, breathable surface. It has a water-resistant membrane inner layer, non-slip rubber beads at the bottom. So you can see the rubber beads at the bottom. It is super nice. Again, you can put this in your dog's kennels. You can put it in the car, outdoor, a dog crate, in the house, or on the sofa. This is an upgraded look, so if you're looking for a nice non-slip, really comfortable and nice, that is washable dog bed, I would definitely say check this one out.